Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Naibolan. So today I would like to present my research proposal on the topic, the effectiveness of Duolingo to improve reading skill. All right, first, background of the problem. Reading is a very important skill in various aspects of life, especially in today's globalized world. Being able to read well in English allows access to information and knowledge in various fields. However, many students struggle with reading fluency and comprehension. Interactive learning media such as Duolingo can be a valuable tool. Duolingo offers a feature that can help students improve their reading skill and comprehend learning material more easily. It provides a gamified and engaging environment, potentially making learning more interesting for students. Next, formulation of the problem. First, does the although Duolingo is popular for language learning, its effectiveness in improving reading skill is debatable. While it offers an engaging approach, it is unclear whether it fully addresses specific reading challenge or prepares students to read complex texts. Okay, I have two questions for this proposal. First, does the use of Duolingo improve reading skill? And second, does the Duolingo demonstrate a statistically significant improvement in the reading skill of junior high school grade 7 student when compared to a pre and post test that does not use Duolingo? Connect purpose of the study. First, to examine the extent to which the use of the Duolingo application can improve reading skill in the language learning process at junior high school. Second, this research will determine whether regular use of Duolingo can help students become better readers through experimental pre-test and post-test. And the last, this study aims to provide further information and on better learning technology. Okay, next, foundation theory. First, theory of behaviorism. This theory emphasizes on habit formation through repetition and reinforcement. Duolingo uses a gamification approach that can motivate students to practice reading repeatedly and earn reward for their progress. Second, theory of cognitivism. This theory focuses on internal process involved in learning, such as attention, memory, and comprehension. Duolingo provides a variety of exercise and activities designed to improve cognitive skill essential for reading, such as word decoding, sentence comprehension, and meaning inference. And next, research methods. First, research design. I conduct an experiment where participants were divided into two groups, group experimental and group control. Group first experimental student who used Duolingo for 12 minutes every day for 2 weeks. Group two, group control, the control group who will not use Duolingo. Both groups will take a standardized reading test before and after the intervention period. This allows me to compare their reading skill and see if the Duolingo group show improvement. All right, so next, hypothesis. I hypothesize that a significant positive difference will be seen in the reading skill of students who use Duolingo for 2 weeks compared to those who do not. The next, population and sample. In population, 7 grade students of SMP Negeri 1 Nangmahap, this age group is interesting as they are starting to delve into language learning. For example, I randomly selected 2 classes out of 4 grades. 7 students at SMP Negeri 1 Nangamahap to ensure representativeness of the population. This study will specifically focus on grade 7 student of SMP Negeri 1 Nangamahap. This age group is interesting because they are just starting to explore language learning. The next, research instrument. For research instrument, I have 3 points. First, pretest and post-test will be conducted to measure reading comprehension, reading skill and vocabulary. Second, the pretest will be a standardized reading skill tests at third for test of English reading comprehension. And the last, the post-test will be a custom-made reading comprehension, reading skill test based on the Duolingo curriculum. Okay, next, technique of data collection. For pretest, I have 3 points. First, conduct before the Duolingo intervention. Second, standardized testing procedure for both groups. And third, using third to assess basic reading skill. And the post-test, conducted after the Duolingo intervention, maintain consistency with the pretest format for accurate comparison, using a customized test that it aligned with Duolingo learning to assess reading skill post-intervention. And the last, randomize the order of test item to minimize bias. Okay, for the last, data analyze. Quantitative data from the pre-test and post-test result will be statistically analyzed. Descriptive statistics will summarize the change in the reading scale. Inferential statistics, for example, period t-test will determine whether the difference between pre-test and post-test scores is statistically significant. All right. So the conclusion, my proposal. This study has the potential to provide valuable insight into the effectiveness of Duolingo in improving reading skill. By understanding its impact, we can empower students and educators to utilize this tool effectively in language learning, which aims to contribute to the understanding of Duolingo effectiveness in improving reading skill, with the hope that this finding can provide information for the student, educators, and language learning apps developer. So I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.